Hello guys, today we're going to install the heater for the frosting issue in the back of the Samsung refrigerator. Alright, so here we are with the heater. Again, we're going to loop that underneath the coil, slide it over, and you should have it positioned like this right above the evaporator coil. That way is, so we've installed the heater in place, zip tied in. We have the sensor off to the right. Next, what we're going to do is get these guys into place with the little connectors here, and we'll have a picture of that for you to show you exactly what they look like and how to use them. Basically, you're going to crimp it onto the existing wire on the left hand side to the defrost heater, and then with the second one it's going to go on the right hand side, and this is again the line coming off your defrost heater in the fridge section on your Samsung. Also works with the Kenmore models, that with the Samsung design. If any of you guys are curious, then what we're going to do is just plug her in. The defrost wire goes in like so, and the left hand side. And just like that, we got it all connected and in place. And just one quick note, the heater, it will not damage anything inside the fridge, the plastic lining, the housing. It's low enough temperature, it's not going to affect anything. You won't see any burn marks. And again, this is going to help you with your frosting issue that you've been having. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.